Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my vegan sourdough discard cheese crackers. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then in a mixing bowl we're going to add a full cup of sourdough discard starter. We're going to want that to be room temp if possible. Then we're going to add a cup of your favorite shredded vegan cheese. I'm using a Parmesan blend here. And to that we are going to add a half a teaspoon of turmeric, a half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Mix that until it's well combined. And then getting a sheet pan and a silicone mat or parchment paper, whatever you have, we're going to pour that on top and try to spread it out as thinly and as evenly as possible. We want it to be pretty thin here. The thinner you get it, the quicker it'll bake and the crispier your cracker will be. We're going to pop that in the oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes is up, we're going to remove it from the oven and use a pizza cutter to cut these into squares. We want to do it widthwise, then lengthwise, doesn't really matter. Just you want to try to get them as uniform as possible, as a similar shape and size. Then we are going to take a chopstick and we're going to poke tiny little holes inside of these crackers. I know this part is tedious, but this will stop them from puffing up. If you don't care about that, then skip this step. Then we're going to pop these guys right back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. After the time is up, we're going to take them out of the oven and then set them on a cooling rack to completely cool. And then you will have these super crispy, cheesy, delicious, easy to make sourdough vegan cheese crackers.